Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
A question on what is included in a part number for a precision exit device.
Okay.
It's the cover for the top and bottom latches. The part number out of the manual is 01011-03. Is that line item? I think it's got a list of $140 or whatever it is, but is there one cover or two covers included in that part number?
Let me find out here. Hold on. That's just the latch cover. 22 with latch case. I'll do a parts breakdown for you here. Let's go to bill of material. Okay, so in that we have, let's see, we have one latch cover, and a screw pack is what it looks like.
Okay. So when you buy that, you're getting one each. However, the reference to two in the manual basically says, hey, an entire device requires two of these. I understand. Okay. That is perfect. Don't want to order half or double what's necessary. So thank you for clarifying.
Okay. What's
awesome.
that? I don't follow what you're saying. So in the parts manual is what you're saying now?
In the parts manual has a column titled quantity. And I initially interpreted the quantity that there would be two of the part number, well, it's part number 8 actually. Page 4.
What page are you on there? You're on 4-2?
4-2, yes, sir. The Precision Apex.
Let me get there. Yeah, hold on a second. 4-3, 4-2. Okay. And so I see the covers. Number 8, the Latch Cover Kit, 01011-03, includes hardware. And it says quantity 2. Okay, so that would be for your top and your bottom. That would be the covers for those.
If I
and then you would have to order the finish with that.
Yeah, if I sent a PO to the factory for that 01001-03 and I ordered a quantity of 1, what's going to come in the package?
One cover and screw pack.
Understood. That's what I wanted to clarify. And that column 2 basically tells someone like me, hey, you need 2 to do a complete device. Right on.
Correct. Yes, because you can order those LB, less bottom rod. So. Yeah,
right on. That makes perfect sense. Yes, sir. I did not consider that. Right. It has to be sold as just per cover. Right on. All right. Well, thank you for helping me understand, and have a great day.
Sure thing, Rich. You as well. Thanks.
You.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. If you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please click subscribe as well, and even share the video with someone that you know. And if you have any questions for a future video, please send them our way, and we will make every attempt to oblige. And thank you very much.